All right, we are back for phase 2 of the drop-down tailgate conversion. It's going to be part 2. It's going to be basically the last part of it because it's really not that hard from here. So last time we put the hinges on the tailgate on the bottom, not the side, and we welded up the holes for the original hinge. Still have this one on because the hardware is kind of a pain in the ass, and if I need to drive it, I still have a tailgate on it. So I already did this side just so I knew what I was doing. So on this side, what I've done is cut the top of the tub out because I can't get to it because there's the frame cross member. So I cut the top out. I made a spreader plate, welded 2 nuts to it, got 2 bolts running through. I got some weld through primer there. That's going to get welded here. That I had to do to get the top piece cut, and then I'm going to weld the top piece back on, and then I'll be able to bolt the hinge right on. I've already got it lined up to where it clips in to the latch, and all that seems pretty good. So after I do that, I'm gonna have to grind all these welds down, paint this stuff so it doesn't rust up, and then pretty much the inside of this is gonna get bed lined, and the outside of it's just gonna get sprayed with the semi-gloss black for the moment. And then yeah, then I need to make little guide cables so so it's not, laying on the bumper or laying, just bending it. So, all right, I'm gonna get started. Let's see what happens. It's not bad. Moves around a little bit, but what can you really expect? Yeah, that works pretty good, even with the top down. Looks nice and sealed. Gets up against that seal pretty good. And you still have to slam it, but I mean, you got to do that with the other tailgate anyway. Oh yeah. I'm pretty impressed right now, myself. Next thing we're going to do is make some cable supports so it doesn't go past 90 degrees. So it can, right here, that'll work pretty good as a little trail toolbox or tool bench when I'm out and about. Or if I need to put something larger in the Jeep, I can just let the tailgate down and not have to worry so much about you know, swinging out in traffic, which has happened before to me. The door opened up and woo, out it went. Well, body work on the tailgate and some paint. I think she'll be good to go. Screw this thing in here, tighten down the jam nut. Apply it that way, down the old jam nut. There we go. Up top, I open up one end of the eyelet. And there we go. Now I need to make one for this other side. I just fill up that hole, put another cable here, up in the body somewhere. I'll figure that out. And then it should be pretty good to go. I got Ryan coming to bring an impact driver so we can get the original tailgate off. It's kind of a flaw. Alright, so since last time I blabbed about this thing, I did paint the back side of it, or the outside of it. Still looks like crap, all the sanding marks and the grinding marks. Whoop-de-doo. Still gotta weld that up. I had to push it out so I could help Ryan with his soft top on his TJ. So either way, I think it's gonna work pretty good, as is. What's going on there? Didn't do that before. Yeah, there it is. Seems fine. Even this side, not supported by a latch. Not too bad. The old thing didn't want to start in the garage. I think the crank sensor went bad while I was welding on it, or it's been going bad. That's a long story, and I've just been too busy wanting to do the diesel swap that I've been just buying swap parts, not the fixing the random not wanting to start issue. I might run out tonight and grab a sensor yet. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. Alright, this is the last bit of this. Everything else I need to do it. I don't really feel like filming because it's all just tedious stuff. Weld that inside, it's kind of boring. Paint it better soon. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if it helped you out or was at least entertaining. See ya.